Hello viewers, how are you? We hope you all are fine. So today we will discuss about false ceiling kitchen designs and ideas. So you will love to try because these designs is one of the most trendy designs and everyone like these designs. Modular and modern false ceiling kitchen design is also trendy design. A kitchen is the most important place in any house and is also the most overlooked area. In a lot of homes, it's a common sight to leave the kitchen roof bare and ugly. So, pop false ceiling is one of the best part to do in kitchen because as an old saying goes, there is nothing nicer than a kitchen for a cook and even for the whole family for that matter. You need to invest on a good kitchen false ceiling design to give it a facelift. So, unlike the rest of your interiors where you can use any sort of material, a kitchen false roof must be selected with care. You must only choosing a ceiling that is made with humidity resistant and temperature withstanding material to retain its appearance for many years. So in this article we shall explore some of the best and simple and modern kitchen false ceiling designs in the market to try for our own dream kitchen. So latest kitchen false ceiling designs, here are the best and fantastic best ceiling design ideas for kitchen along with images and detailed. So let's have a look into them. So very great design. So check out this tree ceiling kitchen design and ideas. So different designs are here for your kitchen which look simple yet stylish. The neatly done decor can transform the look of your cooking and area and add a modern touch. The four sides of the fulling features LED lights and accents and a contrast color. A pop element is added to the center to bring in the wow factor because wow factor is very important and everyone like the wow factor. If you are family that bonds over a cup of coffee in the kitchen, you need to go for a ceiling fan model. After the cooking is done, you can switch it on for breeze without having to go out of your comfort zone. Also, placing the fan at a strategic position can give you an uninterrupted stuff time, especially if you use an electric place or non-fire systems. Modern kitchens deserve an innovative ceiling design just like this one. Take a look at the grandeur of this roof style which can surely leave your visitors in awe. So the pop false ceiling features two concentric circles each accentuated with water lights. Small round shaped LED bulbs are added surrounding this structure to brighten up the look. A kitchen is subject to all sorts of weather changes like high humidity and temperatures. There is where the PVC roof makes a key difference. Being a synthetic material, it is water resistant, easy to clean and also highly durable. Here is one of such great false ceiling idea made with polyvinyl chloride material which comes in a stun tone style dual tone style. So very amazing styles and different designs are here. You can get the ideas, you can collect the ideas for this video and we hope this video is very informative for you because we always try to make truth and learning video. So if you like this video, share this video, comment this video, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.